Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 11. From the Venn diagram above, the shaded parts represent. Now looking at these shaded parts of this Venn diagram, look at the Venn diagram above. Now from this Venn diagram, we have the subset P, subset Q and subset R. Now if you look at it, you see that we have P intersect Q. We have P intersect Q. And we also have what? We also have P intersects R. This is P intersects Q. The entire here is P intersects Q, and this entire place here is P what? This entire place is P intersects R. Like this, P intersects R. From here to here is P intersects R, and from here to here is P intersects Q. But now we are also given what? This shaded place. This is the shaded place. Now this shaded place simply represents what? The P intersects Q, P intersects R. That is this shaded region, because this is the P intersects Q, this is the P intersects R. So the entire shaded region now will be what? P intersects Q and that's union P intersects R, and that is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.